Dubai, as you know, is more than just a global hotspot for business and tourism. It is a place many of us dream of calling home, and one of the most discussed routes to making that dream a reality is the UAE Golden Visa, particularly through investing in properties. Now, just think of it. It's not just about owning a piece of this incredible skyline. It's about laying down roots, bringing your family, perhaps. Like in my own case, bringing my own old parents as residents. And for many people, it is better job opportunities and building a future here. That desire for a stable, long term base in a city that is constantly evolving and offering so much is a very powerful one. And the Golden Visa is a key that can unlock that door for you. As always, my promise to you is to deliver the facts with integrity, with deep insight, and in a way that's genuinely useful. I want this to be a trusted source for authentic Dubai narratives. So let's dive in and explore how a property investment can be your golden ticket to a more permanent life in Dubai. So, for anyone who might be new to this, or perhaps you've heard the term golden visa, but you're not entirely sure what it entails, let us break it down. What exactly is the UAE Golden Visa? So essentially, it is a long-term residence visa system. The Federal Authority for Identity, Citizenship, Customs, and Port Security. You will often hear this name. It is called as ICP commonly. It states that Golden Visa allows eligible individuals to live, work, or study in the UAE for 10 years. Often, you don't need a national sponsor, and the visa is automatically renewed if you continue to meet the conditions. Now, according to the ICP, the aim is to attract the investor who invests money in the country, the entrepreneurs who run an economic project, and the talented or skilled people. Now, this self sponsored aspect is a game changer that has attracted high net worth individuals across the world. It is a major shift from the traditional residency models we have seen in the UAE until just a few years back. Now, Golden Visa offers a new level of autonomy to residents. It shows the UAE's commitment to bringing in and keeping global talent and capital by offering this greater sense of stability. It allows you and your family to make long term plans with much more confidence. Now, as I just explained, there are several categories for the Golden Visa. You've got investors, entrepreneurs, and people with specialized talents.